to the treasure gem.
I did it just to get the benzo. I did it all for a Gucci belt. I did it just to smash dough, home. I did it just to Instagram and flash some C-notes. Did it to pull up with some foreign bitches, even if they had fake ass and fake.
Guess I changed my mind. I did. Fuck nigga. Oh Simba, you thought that I didn't remember. You had came out with that song in that video, bitch. Like you was gonna make a nigga shiver. And you're not cold at the winter, but you
big BMG shit, man.
Roadman Simba. You think you're a big man, yeah? You're a little boy, man.
Yeah, man. March 21st, Simba versus Famo.
In a wheelchair.
I battled with Cindy, you caught astray. I didn't even write my rhyme.
Alright. In his hands.
It's on Famo.
They say I'm in a pickle when they picked you. Because this dude got bars and shit. Man, I knew you were a kosher opka deal. We knew I was a jar to this, dog. You just don't know the half like a new step sibling. That I wreck niggas, and that's the best feeling. But you'll learn that I right to kill behind these bars. This a death sentence. Man, listen, call it quits like a 2 weeks notice over the phone. This a new job, so ain't no playing games when I spin and kick around. This ain't foosball, the two draw like a printed pistol if you get too bold when you beat. Cause I'm known to fuck up a nigga run like I done rolled over feet. I can put bro on the T. Hold on. Cause I done fucked up niggas run like I done rolled over feet. I could put bro on the T. Hold on. I could put bro on the T. Those other ops get it clear. Sir Rock done had me spinning like I'm doing too much sipping in this chair. So why would you dare mention me? Cause you finna be a spirit like Hennessy if you play Ock. Especially if you get up here with them sitting balls after I heard you take shots. Man, you better not touch my motherfucking chair. For no type of reaction. Cause that's asking for niggas to do you foul, G. Canal Street, knock off his glasses. It'll be tragic when they whoop his ass and people gonna have to pray for real. It's like reneging on a contract when it's combat, but they'll break a deal. Your fate is sealed trying to bully me. But they ain't the smoothest method, cause I got 2 of them Westons. Now bug out and spray his crib like I'm doing inspection. But I move for protection. Don't get your crew invested, cause I'll get the lifting bodies in this chair. Shit sound like a Jewish wedding. Right.
Bodies in his chair. They don't know. They don't know about those little shits.
Come on, Famo.
That's round.
That's right. 36. 90,
Give it up for that round.
Say 90 seconds.
Give it up for that round. Simba.
Yo!
It's on you.
I said!
Let's go.
Simba versus Famo. Now, before I let the lead blow, it's only 90 seconds. You's a bitch cause I said so. The handout place upon the pencil belongs in temples. Even Jamaicans know I go crazy. They say Simba, monumental. See, the people...
Calm it down, man.
Right.
The people know I'm nice. Knowing it, half the battle. Everybody should know I'm up next. Adam's apple. So for the fans that wish me success, y'all know I can beat the best. This ass whoopings for viewers like you. It's PBS. See, my words can lead a cult. I'm bringing your road to a screeching halt. Your weak assault always has a cheap result. You getting beat the pulp, it ain't these people's fault. You think you got a leg up, but you losing.
God damn it.
Bitch, you crippled. Shouldn't be jumping to conclusion. Fuck was you assuming?
Let's go, man.
Let's chill out, man.
What the fuck was you assuming? That outlaw battle would do more for you? You thought a push from Tayroc would open a door for you? It's no remorse for you. Bitch, you should be scared of me. I saw problems with fights, but this the disparity. Cause I stretch shit with arms too. You don't do that physical therapy. Bitch, you are harmless. Bitch, you are harmless. You don't pick locking up and sparking. You in a wheelchair. Bitch, you don't walk it like you took, hold on. You don't. Hold on.
Simba.
You don't. Hold up. You don't pick the locking up and spark it. You in a wheelchair. Bitch, you don't walk it like you talk. Hold on. You don't wheel it like you deal it. Hold on. You never rolled it like you told it. So all that capping, you gonna get your whole camp hit. Talking faces on pamphlets, cause you up here trying to ramp it like you're stamping. I will stab your bitch and kidnap her when I'm on a pill. But I ain't being horny chill. I will call you so you know the torture real. And once you say hello, I'll press her titty in a Foreman grill. Little bitch, Little bitch. Hey. I will squeeze your neck into your head like a Ken doll. Damn. A sledgehammer to your bitch, chin jaw like a thin wall. Chop your kids up, feed them to your in-laws. Right. And now the whole family back together like the Benoits. Oh, my God. Round.
Give it up that round. Y'all hold it down. Let Famo. Top of the second.
I said, you told Sin you had a gun so big that you had to start it with a Toyota key. I'm like, I guess Brody be getting some of the newest shit. I mean, this nigga must literally get inside his gun and do drive-bys and mask the gas to shoot the shit. Man, that was foolishness thinking you could roll a nigga out of here with that. Nigga, you gonna be a pack for damn sure. Cause that Toyota key won't be enough when you seeing her, nigga sliding like vandals. This man called Baltimore Charm City. Hold on. This man called Baltimore Charm City. I guess he really trying to shine with his best shit. Well, just because you're from Charm City don't mean I'll be on your necklace. I don't care if he dropping jewels in this motherfucker. He going right in the dirt. Mr. Charm City gonna be a pendant around his crew neck, or they buying shirts. Cause this jerk gonna say the same shit like everybody else. Man, I can't kick it with you. Every battle I be thinking Jaden Smith. Will son be a different nigga? Finna wig on this man, I'ma drag him. If this bitch wanna be joking, I know I can't walk it like I talk it. When you see me rolling, I smoke shit. Huh? What is he talking about? Huh? What is he talking about? They ain't talking about nothing, nigga. Huh? Let me go. I know I can't walk it like I talk it. But when you see me rolling, I smoke shit. Bro, I'm gonna sit and wrap circles around you niggas. I mean, this is how I roll. This is practice, but ain't no acting, bitch. This ain't for a roll. My last performance has been on some Shorman shit. You can see I'm on a roll. They report me grade A on every card, man. I'm literally on a roll. Bro, I told myself I gotta make movies and battle rap. So my chaps can see the bigger picture. But I'ma fight like hell to get my point across. You would've thought I should be a fencer, and they gave me Simba to dismember, and there's no one to save you. Motherfucker, have you ever had the mumps? No? Well, I'm not the one to face. It's too painful. Round.
Okay. Give it up for that round. Bottom of the second. Simba, it's on you.
Dirty.
Hey, yo. My man's in a wheelchair too, like you. But he chose the streets instead. See, his people's dead. They all died in the field like Easter eggs. Now, he
Come on.
My man's in a wheelchair like you, but he chose the streets instead. His people's dead. They all died in the field like Easter eggs. Now, he changed his life after what the preacher said. When you walk with Jesus, you don't even need your legs. See, my city. Amen. See, my city is crab. Hey, hold it down. My city is crabs in a bag. It's corny. Because niggas hustle with contempt. Once the little niggas is seasoned, they up in the temp and nothing is exempt. See, Baltimore, it's like a seafood bowl. If you ain't a mussel, use a shrimp. See, I keep me a mask. So I keep me a mask. I can go from, hold it down. I said I keep me a mask. I can go from chilling to an active mission. Niggas get money, start acting different. Like if Wills want to be icy outside, I can catch him slipping. And when I'm creeping up, might have a whole team behind me. they'll find 3,000 rounds in your whip from Geechee God. But if my, hey, let me talk some Baltimore shit. Hey, if my goots passed you the goot name, you, hey, hold it down. If my goots passed you the goot name, you wouldn't shoot a jickle tang. So what's up with gang? I really let a couple bang. This bitch will really do round your fuckle dang. It's send you up in the breeze. Like foul, here's a couple of these. Now keep your head down like you ducking from bees. Or a shot to the...
People's head down like what?
Talk.
I said, keep your head down like you ducking from bees. Or a shot to the goo-ha, really buckle your knees. Really ramshackle all your monocular C's. See, if I up it, I shoot it. You don't even fuckle a tooget. We know his type of jickle. He's a fucking badooget. But you know what's fucking confusing? He be this comfortable losing. And I'm erming and garming on this fucking Methuselah. So what the fuck you gonna do now? So what you gonna do now? Huh? So what you gonna do now? What you gonna do now? The ambulance gotta come through now. Cause the blue bow really jickle your goo towel. But the
Go!
What you gonna do now? The ambulance gotta come through now. Cause the blue bow really jickle your goo towel. But the fuckle dang gonna give it a pew pew sound. That's round 2 down.
Give it up for that round. Give it up for that round. Roll on his feet. Roll on his feet.
I said, nigga, you think I'ma get upset when you say, hold on. Y'all ready?
Famo,
Y'all good?
top of the third.
All right.
It's on you, baby.
Nigga, you think I'ma get upset when you say some offensive shit? Like I'ma shift into some type of mid-wheel crisis?
Come on.
Nigga can't. Come on. You think I'ma get upset when you say some offensive shit? Like I'ma shift into some type of mid-wheel crisis? Nigga, can't nobody hurt my feelings after me dealing with finding the person who gave life to me lifeless. So you being trifling, it might excite them, but it won't hurt me one bit. So you probably never heard of scleroderma. Nigga, I got tough skin, but you can try and push me over the edge. But you can try and push me over the edge, but that won't get you far. But if I push Simba farther off the edge, I promise that's gonna leave a scar. But you thought, hold on. But if I push Simba farther off the edge, I promise that's gonna leave a scar. But you thought I was lying, man? Face it, around here I'm bombing on you. Think women with attitudes. Once you see I roll in, it's a problem for you. Of course you gon' joke a lot, but you don't notice I got niggas finna slide. See, it's fun and games when you tell me stand for something, but a grave is what it symbolizes. So you can put your lie if you want to, but you won't do a nigga filthy. Man, I don't care what this bitch on is Jim Jones. That punch better kill me. Man, I'm really off the chain like a stray. Hey, dog, I'm nothing like a pet. If you bring me tired ass balls, I'm appalled. Bro, you just like the rest. Just downplay my condition about me sitting, but don't mention I retire jerks. These niggas love to hit me with that put it in reverse Terry shit, but forget that I do firework. Come on. Yeah. But I do firework. He right. Hold on. He writing words asking who's more willing than I am. Man, that chair shit need to die, fam. I highly suggest you capture a different angle, like a sky cam. You gotta put in work in this field, nigga. Or whipping is the price, fam. If you don't understand that clear enough, it's progaria. You'll get a small lifespan.
Come on.
Round.
Give it up for that round. Give it up for that round. Bottom of the third. Simba.
Bottom of the third.
It's on you.
All right, the chances of his survival, real narrow. I'd dump him off a bridge like a wheelbarrow and speed off with a cougar and a whip like Will Ferrell. You said you... You said, hold on.
Hold it down. It's rap.
Well, he said his parents battled addictions. I said, damn, yo. Cause y'all want me to go Rambo on little crack baby Famo. You ain't shit. Yeah, I got ammo, so why I gotta say he weird? Look how he came in here. It's fucking bald head and Abe Lincoln beard and legs of a baby deer.
Rap, nigga.
Bitch.
Fucking rap, though.
Hey, bring it back, man. Bring it back.
Hey.
Bring it back, bro.
We gonna have a conversation.
Bring it back.
Come on now.
How you look, man?
Yo, why I gotta say he weird? Look how he came in here.
Right.
Got a bald head, the Abe Lincoln beard, and the legs of a baby deer.
Right.
Bitch, your mama smoking crack? That's the reason you're awkward looking. She was wrestling with being pregnant. You're exactly what The Rock was cooking. And it's sad.
What the fuck wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
What is wrong with
You bugging. You bugging. Rap, nigga. Fuck. Rap.
Hey, I said,
Y'all hold it down. Hold it down.
your mama smoking crack? That's the reason you're awkward looking. She was wrestling with being pregnant. You're exactly what The Rock was cooking. And it's sad because it's true. She never thought about what crack would do to you. She was up before the sun, smoking crack a doodle doo. But look, I got hold on, hey.
You gotta be stopped.
Hold on. No, real talk. Real talk, listen.
Hold it down.
Hey.
Y'all please let this
Hey.
man
Now look,
Finish fucking him up, man.
real talk, Pops. I got respect for your father. Cause he pushed your chair and your feet dragged like a Mexican toddler.
Damn it.
Hey, Simba. Hey, yo, Simba. You dirty motherfucker. Hey,
They do, they on the ground. They on the ground.
dirty motherfucker.
Let him
Hey,
rap.
now look,
Hold it down.
Hey, what happened to this
Hey.
game? Dirty, man.
Let's go.
hey, I got respect for your father.
Yeah.
He pushed your chair and your feet dragged like a Mexican toddler. Last battle, he was here too, giving you a little push. Well, that make your pops run first like George Bush. Now, and when all the people that he know scatter, I make everything above your cheekbones splatter. Plane crash. When it all goes down, your seat won't matter. I will pop you, kid. Push me, not him. What are you doing? Yo, I said, when all the people that he knows scatter, I make everything above his cheekbones splatter. Plane crash. When it all goes down, your seat won't matter. I will pop you, kid. One shot you dead. And the top of your head look like falafel bread. And it's butter.
Hey, Simba.
Hey, and it's, hold it down. I will pop you, kid. Hey! I will pop you, kid. One shot you dead. And the top of your head look like falafel bread. And there's blood on your tires. Your skull exposed. It's not a nice feeling. Keep thinking shit again, gonna get red rose and a white ceiling. Even at the funeral.
Let's go, bro.
Hey,
Let's go.
even at the funeral, I'm trying to peel his fucking cap, cause the snubber clap. I pull him out the box and pop him like bubble wrap. Cause when I'm getting, yeah.
Hey.
Cause when I'm getting gritty, I really do the nigga shitty. And the blood brain gonna hit whoever's sitting pretty. And it's gonna be wheels all over their face like a Richard Millie. Nigga.
That was
Come on.
They don't know about that.
If y'all think I got killed this battle, you can't even say why. Any footage of me crossing over is completely AI. But when Famo pulled up, he ain't thinking he was coming to die. It's Big BMG, the biggest money could buy. Body more.
Let's go, nigga.
It's your boy Tag, man.
This is a trip.
Y'all niggas better wake the fuck up on the 1st of the month. I need my paper. You feel me? Yeah. Wake up, bake up, count this motherfucking paper. Capers, all we ever pulled is shorties, nigga. My neighbors, they knew I was fucking drug dealing. The neighborhood knew I was the fucking plug, nigga. You see me out, I'm with a couple bad bitches. I'm never lacking, no. With about like 20 niggas. Parking lot got 30 poppers on 2 young niggas. Call me foolish, don't ever call me dumb, nigga. Rubber grip, right next to that plastic trigger. It's dark as fuck. Watch how fast we light this bitch up. 1st of the month, you better have my money, sucker. Timberlands out here trapping in this cold weather. Red team, black stones, and my blood brothers. They gon' slime you out, we got it out the mud, fucker. Who better gang? We all about the money, bruh. Pretty boy gangster, I don't do no funny stuff. You know my style, fuck your bitch and run it up. If the ticket good, break it down and bag it up. Pull off of the lot, hit the shop, mount it up. It's 4 in the morning, that's usually when I count it up. Running my crib, you gon' meet this Mossberg pump. Old left in, I shoot it in my shoulder jump. Cost to the shot, I can't control who coming, bruh. Yo nose running, we damn sure gon' wipe you up. Yo, this GS2 motherfucker. I'm still the same pack from the rack with 100 niggas behind my back.